Hello dear fans, today I'm going to show you how to send Facebook message to your all Facebook friends in one click. So let's go. At first you have to download the code. Go to this link. You have to go to this link. I will give you uh, in the description. Paste and go. Then click skip this ad. Then you have to click download for free. Then you have to click download file now. Then click here to retry. Please see here, it is already downloaded. Minimize it. Then go to your Facebook account. You have to log in at first. Then click the right button and click inspect elements. Then click console menu bar. Then click here, and you have to copy. At first you have to select all, then copy, minimize it, and then control plus V, control plus V, press the control plus V. Okay, then press enter. Now uh, you can I have a message. Control A, copy, and this message now I sending you. Click paste, then click post. Please wait 1 minute, 3 seconds for 30 seconds. See here, my message already posted my all Facebook friend, only on click. Close and refresh your Facebook page. This is so slow. Then see here, my message is already sent. My internet is so much slow. See here, my message sent, and already one man sent me a message. Thanks. So thank you for watching my video. My English is not good, for this reason please forgive me. And if you think that this video is profitable for you, uh, subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks. I will post. um, Thank you for watching. Bye bye.